Once upon a time in the quaint English town of Eaglesfield, there lived a man named John Dalton. Born on September 6, 1766, John was destined to become one of the most renowned chemists and physicists of his time. His story is a tale of curiosity, perseverance, and groundbreaking discoveries in the realm of atomic theory. From a young age, John displayed a keen interest in the natural world. He was fascinated by the colors of the flowers in his garden, the behavior of gases, and the mysteries of matter. John's thirst for knowledge led him to become a schoolteacher, where he not only educated young minds but also nurtured his passion for science. As he taught, John began to delve into the world of chemistry. He conducted numerous experiments, meticulously recording his observations and findings. It was during this time that he started to formulate his ideas about atomic theory, a concept that would revolutionize the scientific world. John Dalton's breakthrough came when he proposed that all matter was composed of tiny, indivisible particles called atoms. He suggested that each element had its own unique type of atom, and that compounds were formed by combining atoms in simple, whole number ratios. This bold idea laid the foundation for modern chemistry and physics. Despite facing skepticism and resistance from some of his contemporaries, John Dalton continued to refine his atomic theory. He conducted experiments on the behavior of gases, which ultimately led to Dalton's law of partial pressures, explaining how gases mix and interact. In 1803, John published his groundbreaking work, A New System of Chemical Philosophy, which detailed his atomic theory and the laws governing chemical reactions. This work not only solidified his reputation as a brilliant scientist but also paved the way for future generations of chemists and physicists. As John Dalton's fame spread throughout the scientific community, he was awarded various honors and distinctions, including the Royal Medal of the Royal Society and the title of President of the Manchester Literary and Philosophical Society. In his later years, John Dalton continued to contribute to science, particularly in the field of meteorology. He was an avid weather observer and conducted extensive studies on the nature of clouds and the behavior of atmospheric gases. On July 27, 1844, John Dalton passed away, leaving behind a legacy that would endure for centuries. His atomic theory laid the groundwork for our modern understanding of matter and its fundamental building blocks. Today, the name John Dalton is synonymous with scientific innovation and the relentless pursuit of knowledge, reminding us that curiosity and determination can change the world.